Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Bum, 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 bum. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. How's everybody doing? Remember to guard your privacy and abide by our community guidelines. Okie dokie, tick our okie dokie YouTube. Pretty easy. Pretty easy to guard my privacy when there's nobody here. Welcome in, welcome in. These YouTube live streams are fun. 0 views, 0 likes, 0 everything. California. Welcome in. How are you? Aqua. Doing all right? Doing all right? How's everybody doing tonight? Who likes space? Welcome in. Welcome in. Who likes space? You're doing. I'm not amazing. I'm just me. What's your favorite thing about space? What's your favorite thing about space? The mystery? Space is cool. Yeah, it's cool. A lot of mystery up there for sure. How something works? Yeah. Do you know what uh do you know how big the sun is? Anybody know how big the sun is? Aliens. Aliens are cool, yeah. Who thinks there's aliens in space? Who thinks there's another life form? You think there's another life form? You know how many planets there are in space? You can't count. You can't count that high. That's how many? Trillions. You have no idea how big the sun is? Or you have no idea if there's aliens? I think there's intelligent life out there. There's got to be. mathematically, if you take our Earth and then you add all the other planets out there, there has to be both. Yeah. Any of you guys watch my short videos about space, or did you just find me randomly? If you haven't hit me at my subscribe button, make sure you hit my subscribe button. I have a lot of short videos on space. I plan on making long ones too. Welcome in, welcome in. Appreciate the sub. We need all the subs we can get, man. You get a good night's sleep for your work in the morning, man. If you haven't hit that like button, can you hit this like button? We only have 2 likes. I think we have 10 people, 16 people. I don't know. Do you guys know space is still expanding? Still growing. How you doing, Monkey Rave? You doing all right tonight? You guys subscribe? I appreciate the subscriptions. I need all the subscriptions I can have. I've been uploading videos since January 2nd. Not hurting. What do you mean not hurting? What's that mean? Thank you for the likes. I do appreciate it. So who believes in the moon landing? Do all y'all believe in the moon landing? Some people say we didn't land on the moon because we haven't been back. Holy hairline? Yeah, dude. This shit is live. Yeah, I'm live. What gave you that that idea that I was live? Do I? Do I what? Do I believe that we landed on the moon? Yeah, absolutely. It's kind of weird though. It's kind of weird. There's some I know why people question it. Why haven't we been back, right? NASA lost the original tapes. That's kind of weird, right? A great feat by mankind. How are you going to lose the original tapes? That's kind of fuck. That's kind of, can I say fucked up? Anyway, I did anyway. Oh, you think you're going to troll me? Oh, dear Lord. Good luck. I probably won't say that, no. Probably won't say that. Welcome in. How many people we have? 6 people, 7 people. Make sure you tap the screen, guys. Does it give likes or something? How's this shit work? I don't know. I don't go live on YouTube till now. It's a meme. I'll have to look it up. I'll have to look the meme up first. What's the meme about? You have any idea? Can you get a shout out? How am I going to shout you out? Shout out to my friend down here that hopefully subscribed to me. I need more subscriptions. I'm subscribe begging y'all. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You're more than welcome. Just trying to log on some live hours so I can get my channel monetized. $100. $100 what? You think we'll ever land on Mars? Oh, no, you didn't donate that. You typed it in, but it's all right. I appreciate the engagement. The engagement's fine enough. Sigma, make sure you make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button, bro. Appreciate you guys coming in and hanging in here. It gives me some watch minutes, watch hours, whatever. That helps out. I wish they had an active list so I could see who's in here, though. It's a mystery if you don't talk. It's a mystery, Mr. Grinch. Welcome in, welcome in. Say hello, let me know who's here. Give me a fun fact about space. Anybody know a fun fact about space? We have 3 people in here. We're crushing it. We're taking over YouTube. Woo! What's up, Cash Money? We got Cash Money in the house. He rains $100 bills. What's going on, guys? What's your fun facts about space? Anybody know anything about space? Any physics? Yes. What do you know about space? Other than does the moon have an atmosphere? Yes or no? Does the moon have an atmosphere? Does anybody know that answer? The answer is no. The moon does not have an atmosphere. If it did, it would have weather. It would probably maybe have air. It depends. Maybe not. That's not certain. Welcome in. Welcome in. Let me know if you're in here. It says 6, but I don't know how all this shit works. I'm new to YouTube live streaming. Is this an accurate number? I don't know if it is or not. How many moons are on Mars? I don't know. How many? You tell me. Teach. How many moons are on Mars? 2. What's the closest planet to the sun? Anybody know what the closest planet to the sun is? It's a little bitty one. Mercury, yes. You're right. We have a probe that goes around Mercury. Do you know how hot Mercury gets and how cold it gets? Mercury gets up near 800 degrees and it also goes down to 240 negative 240 degrees. How wild's that? Depending on the angle the sun's hitting it. Some wild stuff right there. Welcome in, welcome in. Give me some space facts that I may not know. Anybody know some space facts I may not know? There's 8 people in here, so tell me something that I don't know about space that you think I may not know. I like to learn. There's a lot to learn. You could study space all day, every day, and keep learning the rest of your life. Yeah, most universes are um, most are on a path to collision. However, a lot of times it takes billions of years. Do I know the distance between Earth and the moon? I do not know. I should know that. I've seen it, I've read it, but I have not remembered it. That's a good one. That's a good one. What is it? Nice. Um, do you know that light cannot even escape a black hole? Even light gets sucked up into a black hole. Did you know when our sun finally gives out, it'll be so dense, the size of a spoon, just a piece, picture a spoon. It'll weigh thousands of tons. Just a, that's how dense it'll be. That's how much heavy the matter will be. Ain't that shit wild? Yeah, yeah. Do I know how many people are still alive when they went to the moon? I do not know that. It's called a supernova, yes. Yep. When it does that, the inside collapses and then imagine that something this big and you try to pick it up, you can't because it weighs thousands of tons. That's wild, right? It's crazy to think about. I think I seen where Elon Musk said he's gonna put the mission to Mars on hold and he's gonna try to start a colony on the moon. Anybody see that in the news? He wants to have a city or something on the moon within 10 years from now. How crazy would that be? Or is it going to happen in 5 billion years? Yeah, it's going to be a long time. Hopefully. So I made a video and people are arguing with me. I said there's no fire in space. And they wanted to argue with me because they said, "Oh, the sun's fire." Well, that's a different kind of fire. That's not combustion. Fire on Earth, it's combustion. The sun's not. Yeah, 5 billion years. So we're gonna survive it, baby. We're gonna survive it. We're gonna survive the sun, hopefully, unless something crazy happens, right? Something unknown. If you just showed up, can you give me a like? We only have 4 likes. I know we've had many more people in here. That's a good point. If humans still exist by that time, who really knows? I don't think it. None of us know for certain. How could we? Not even the fake fortune tellers. Very well, we could. What happened to the dinosaurs? They say asteroid hit, right? Who's to say we not get hit by an asteroid? It would take a really large one to do it, though. we're more likely to have like a super volcano blow up and almost extinct us instead of a asteroid hit us, though. And we have a super volcano here in the United States. Anybody know our super volcano, where it's located in the United States, that could wipe out the world? Burnt steak and burnt rubber. Yeah, burnt metal. It's burnt metal, but they can't smell it until they get inside of like their spacecraft or the space station. That's when they can smell it. They can smell it on them. Yeah. Burnt metals, which makes sense. I actually made a video on that. I haven't made too many long format videos yet, but go check out my shorts. I have many space shorts. Probably 100, I don't know. Yellowstone. Yeah, it's located in Yellowstone. You're right. Fun fact, I was in the Philippines. When was it? 2003. I was in the Philippines in 2003 and a volcano erupted when I was there. They have like 20 active volcanoes or 24 or something. Volcano with a not a tsunami, typhoon at the same time. Bum, bum, bum. I just wanted to come on here and check this live stream and stuff out. I'll be more active live streaming. I'm gonna get off here, but next time I'll bring a bunch of space facts and I'll ask you and see if you know what they are if you're here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll do a live stream longer next time. But I appreciate you coming in here and being active. Means a lot. You guys have a good night, okay?